$640,000. That is not how much someone lost in a bad trade. Not a scam, not a gamble on crypto. That is how much the average person loses by doing nothing, by waiting. Two people, same plan, $500 a month into the S&P 500. Same return, about 7% a year after inflation, which is close to the long-term inflation adjusted average for broad U.S. equities. One starts at 25, the other starts at 40. Same discipline, same paycheck hit. Same auto transfer on the first of every month. By 60, the one who started at 25 has roughly $900,000. The one who started at 40 has about $260,000. The gap between those two numbers is $640,000. Not because one person was smarter, not because one person picked better funds. Not because one person had a trust fund or a side hustle or a finance degree, because one person waited 15 years. The one who started at 25 put in $210,000 total. The one who started at 40 put in $120,000. 90,000 more went in, but the difference in the ending balance is not 90,000. It is $640,000. Let that math settle for a second. That extra money did not come from a bigger paycheck. It came from time. 15 years of games earning gains. Compounding does not add. It multiplies. And it multiplies harder the longer you let it run, but that gap is not even the part that should worry you. Right now, a Chase or Bank of America checking account pays about 0.01% interest. Inflation is running at roughly 2.4%. Every year your money sits in that account, it buys less than it did the year before. You are not saving, you are slowly spending, and nobody is sending you a receipt. None of this is investment advice. I am not a licensed advisor, and I am not pretending to be one. But the math here does not require an opinion, it is just arithmetic. Now think about someone you know. Maybe it is you, 24 years old. First real job. Says I will invest when I am more stable, 28, paying off loans. Says I will invest when these are gone, 32, just had a kid, daycare costs as much as rent. Says maybe next year, 36, opens a Fidelity account, puts in $200, forgets the password. That person is not bad with money. That person is most people. Roughly 38% of American adults do not own a single share of stock. Not through a brokerage, not through a retirement plan, nothing. That person is not a character in a story. Check your own account open date. The difference between starting today and starting 5 years from now is not 5 years of contributions. It is decades of compounding you will never get back. Time does not care if you meant to start sooner. It only counts the days you were actually in. Open a compound interest calculator tonight. They are free everywhere. Type in what you can actually set aside each month, even if it is $50. Try 7% as a rough inflation adjusted estimate, or 10% nominal. Neither is a guarantee. Put in how many years you have got until 65. Look at that number, then change the start date to 5 years from now. The person who started at 25 and the person who started at 40 lived the same life, earned the same paycheck. One just opened the account earlier. The distance between those two numbers is the price of waiting. And it is the only price that goes up every single day you do not pay it.